Very close to here is the Perang Wildlife Conservation Area. I think it was a couple years ago. I went and visited and it was really cool. We went pretty late in the hot season, so it was pretty dry. You couldn't take a boat out there. And I might still be a little bit late, might be a little bit too dry, not enough water to boat. But I'm hoping to get close to there, see some cool birds, maybe take a boat. We'll see how it goes and what it's like, the situation out there. So I'm gonna jump back on the little Frankenstein bike and we're gonna head back on this huge highway of a concrete road. Hopefully find a dusty little road we can turn down and keep making our way deeper into the countryside. Suc sờ bái. Nhắm bài hai nào? No. Oh, auto na te?
Auto na te.
Nào te, sầm ra.
Te sầm ra, cùi lên.
Oh, អរគុណច្រើនអត់អីទេខ្ញុំជិះម៉ូតូតាលេងចង់មើលសត្វស្លាប់ប្រហែលជាទីនេះបាទ
cùi lên.
អូអត់អីទេមិនចង់រំខានទេមានភេសជ្ជៈត្រជាទេមានស្រាបៀរហេឡូម៉ោងប្រមាណ
នេះ
មានកូនប្រមាណអ្នក
កូន4
កូន4ច្រើនអ្នក
ច្រើននេះចៅ
អូនេះចៅ
ចា
កូនធំហើយ
អមហើយចាអស់ហើយ
អូអត់អីទេមិនចាំបាច់អាប់លុយវិញអរគុណនេះសម្រាប់ក្មួយ
ទុកអរគុណម៉ាអរគុណម៉េច
អរគុណ
ម៉ា